What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy Bob. Where am I? I am in the country of Vietnam. And right now, me and my homeboy Willie D, we gotta get some lunch because we've been down at the shopping districts, the Ben Thon shopping district, which is literally right around that corner right there. And while we was in there, one of the patrons recommended a lunch spot called Pho Vietnam. They say it's so popular and so good that they had to make 2 locations on the same block. So, you don't believe me? There's location 1 and if we turn in yellow sign, there's location 2. So 2 Pho Vietnam restaurants. Now me and Willie D, we decided to, since this original location with the outdoor seating was full when we came up, we decided to go to the second location right there. So that's where we're about to go next. And since you're my battle buddies, I'm gonna take you on in here with me. Let's go. All right, so we're about to go into the second location of Pho Vietnam. Now, even this second location, you got your menu right here. Showing the menu. And now we're about to walk into the second location of Pho Vietnam. All right, we're gonna go to the second location. Let's go here. All right, we're working our way down now. If they full, which they tend to be, they'll have you sit down in the seating area. But look at these chefs. Look at these chefs. They is making these bowls. They is making these bowls. So pho. Everybody that love pho, come here. All right, let's continue. Pho Vietnam. Pho Vietnam. Boy, this place is jam-packed. I mean jam-packed. All right, Willie. We're still waiting on our soup. We both ordered the soup. And this might be it right here. There it is right there. That's my soup right there. And that's really big soup. Now, I got the Oxtail Pho. You know, I'm an Oxtail fan.
I got yours. You got this oxtail.
I got all. This is yours right here.
Yeah.
You got the mix, right?
Yeah.
This is yours. Let's go ahead, switch it out. 'Cause I got my hands full with this camera. Or accident. Wait.
Let me switch.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we got it right. Yep, that's it right there. Okay, got our drink. My water. Hey, all right, so
That's you right here.
yeah, that's my sour sop drink. Got that. And look, we about to eat some pho in one of the most famous pho restaurants in downtown Vietnam.
Get off the couch.
Hey, you heard what Willie D said. He beat me to it, but I agree with every word he said. He said to get off the couch. Come on over here to BattleBuddyBob and explore the world. Peace, y'all. Man, Willie D. Look at me, an Oxtail Pho. I can't get this in the U.S. Pho Vietnam.